Get a real engine, loser!
Please! Father, it is so cold, but I want to have a private car to drive out and visit our orange garden.
If that is what you want, then we will make one with our own hands. Really? A real car, Father? Don't be sad, little one. We will build a car that can handle any snow. Better than a real one, son. It will be a car made of dreams.
Is it in there? Is the car inside the warehouse? Let's find out.
Not yet, but the materials are. Let's go! To make a car, first you must imagine it.
Wow! It's gonna be so long and fast. Father, I want a steering wheel and front lights to go when it's dark.
Of course, son. Let's add those right now. The wheels need firm oranges, the body needs large ones, and the seat will be small oranges.
Yeah! I'll find the most beautiful ones, Father.
I know you will, champ. Precision is key, son. Every slice makes the car stronger.
I'm holding it tight, Father. It won't move.
Good job, son. Making a car is like becoming a person. You must be patient and careful.
Father, the wheels can...
Now for the body. This is where the magic happens.
Oh,
Check it out. Perfect. We have everything we need. Just one more tie, and the cockpit is ready. Wow!
Look at that, Bee.
Perfect fit. This wax will keep it shiny and protect it from the freezing cold.
I fit perfectly, Father. It feels like a real racing car.
This is the most beautiful car in the world. Because it was made from your dreams, my son.
Please like and subscribe to my channel. My father made this car for me. Isn't it amazing? This is exactly how I imagined it. Thank you, Father.
Out of the way! Wow! Go faster, Dad! Show them who's boss! Look at that! Is that a car or a snack? Just a piece of fruit in our way! Get a real engine, loser! Move over, kitten! Move it or lose it, kid! Yeah! Get him, Dad! Hey.
Nar, my car.
Don't look back, puppy. It wasn't even a real car. See? It was just a bunch of fruit. No, don't waste your breath on trash, puppy. Oh, come on. That was funny.
Father, it's all broken. It's gone. Everything we built is gone.
Kitten? Oh, no. What happened here? Are you okay? Sniffle. I crashed. The big purple car. They hit me on purpose, Father.
Shh, it's okay, little one. I'm here. Just tell me everything.
Listen to me, son. A car can be broken, but kindness must not be lost. Don't worry. Tonight, we will go to the junkyard. We will build you a new car, better and stronger than ever. Keep your eyes open, son. We need the strongest steel we can find.
Found something, Dad. Is this it?
Oh!
Is this strong enough to beat the purple car, Father?
It certainly is, kiddo.
Look! I found a perfect wheel for our new car.
Almost there. This will be the heart of our G-Wagon. Tonight, we build the legend. Steel is stronger than fruit, son. This car will never break.
Wow, it's so strong, Dad.
Keep it steady, kiddo.
One more bolt, Father. It's getting so big. It's so shiny. And so strong.
She's ready. The king of the snow. Let's go find our garden, Father. Yes!
Yeah, let's go.
Father? Where did you go? It's so dark here.
Look who it is. The fancy puppy with the loud car. You were so arrogant yesterday, weren't you? Where is your pride now?
Please. I just wanted to be noticed. I didn't mean to be mean.
Arg! What is that light?
Hold on, Arg. Too bright. Who's there?
Why is a kitten helping him?
He destroyed your toy yesterday.
I am helping him because it is the right thing to do.
Yeah.
Stop it! I don't mind what happened yesterday. You shouldn't bully someone weaker than yourself. Leave him alone. No more bullying in this forest.
I'm so sorry, Kitten. I was truly wrong about everything.
Fine. His kindness is stronger than our bite. Everyone makes mistakes. What matters is knowing how to fix them.
Get in, puppy. It's very cold out here.
Wow!
Come on.
This car is amazing. It feels so warm and safe.
The garden is just over that hill. You're gonna love it. Oh, yeah. I'm glad we're friends now, kitten. Me too, puppy. Me too. It's beautiful. It's like a garden of gold.
True value lies not in what you possess or how much you show off, but in kindness, patience, and the ability to forgive.
This video is created from publicly available information, analyzed using ChatGPT, and recreated using VO3 technology, then edited using CapCut to provide a visual and easy to understand experience for viewers. Each video delivers an educational lesson for children. It adheres to all YouTube guidelines.